Okay, so now we're going to understand the event thing. Okay, cool. Now you can also read these things. You like paste the pixel code just above the head tag. Facebook pixel code can be added above or below, such as Google Analytics in your site header or whatever. Okay. Now let's just scroll down and let's talk about the events. Okay. Automatic advanced matching. Now use information that your customers have already provided to your business, such as their email addresses or phone numbers, to match your website visitors to people who are on Facebook. This can help you to attribute more conversions to your ads on Facebook and reach more people through remarketing campaigns. This is what we discussed, right? Correct?
Yes.
So what it's
Correct.
saying here is such as their email addresses, phone numbers to people who are on Facebook. So let's say if a person clicks on your ad on big ads, and if he is on Facebook as well, you can do what? Remarketing, right? So turn on automatic advanced matching. So you click this link, click this button, okay. Turn this button on. Okay, can you turn it on, please? Okay, cool. Okay, now finally it's on, right? Correct. So because of you're just collecting emails, right? Correct. So we'll turn this off. Okay. So and turn this off. You can even collect these things as well. Okay. So you should always read these things. This information will be hashed to better protect user privacy before it is sent to Facebook. Sensitive information such as financial, health, and government ID will not be collected. Okay. Now you can collect these things. Again, send test traffic to your pixel. Check the status of your pixel code by sending test traffic. If your status is shown as active, your code has been installed correctly. Note that this process may take several minutes. Okay. If more than 20 minutes have passed since testing fire your pixel and the status no activity yet, your code might not be installed correctly. Okay. Correct.
Okay.
So again, we turn this on. So let's scroll up. Correct. And what you're going to do is, let's click continue now. Okay. Okay, what is an event? Now we can add events. Okay, so event would be something that would be added to your thank you page. Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
So again, an event is any action on your website that can be tracked, such as when someone clicks a button or visits a page with the Facebook pixel. You can identify the events that matter to you and give them categories such as add to basket or purchase that reflects a visitor. Okay, why should I add events? So again, by adding events, you enable Facebook to show ads to people who are likely to take a specific action, which we call a conversion, right?
Okay.
Or build audiences of people who triggered a specific event. You can also add parameters that pass unique information such as the monetary value of a purchase. Okay, how do I add events? For each event you'd like to track, you'll need to place a snippet of code on your website. The code helps us to recognize that someone has taken an action. There are two options for placing the code. Track event on page load, when a person is taken to a new page as a result of their actions, such as when an order confirmation page appears after completing the purchase. Track event on an inline action to track dynamic page elements such as buttons. Okay, so you can even put these events on buttons. Okay.
Okay.
So why should I add event parameters? Again, event parameters such as conversion value or currency allow you to get a better insight into ad performance. Some parameters such as content IDs and content type are required to build a retargeted getting audience for dynamic ads. Now this is something more advanced, right? So we'll not get into that right for this case. So we will click this event, lead event, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, basically, if you want to track on inline action, let's say if you want to put this event on a button, you can select this part, okay, but we want to track even when page loads, right? correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now copy the event code snippet. You can add parameters to send additional on-page data, right? So send event parameters. So again, paste the lead event code. So again, you see this, this code goes into the lead section, okay? Correct. Now, if you see, place the event code on your form completion page. What is your form completion page? Thank you page, right?
Thank you,
Add the
please.
event code just below the head tag. This allows the event code to load along with the pixel code when the page loads, okay? Correct. So again, and Facebook pixel code, right? Correct. And head body insert, okay? So test your event. So when you test your event, it would show here, correct? It would show the activity is green in that red button, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's select this particular code, okay? And send event parameters. So track important event data such as the value of each purchase by adding parameters. Parameters are required to calculate return on advertising spend. So let's say if you are spending some kind of money, right? So you can add parameters like this is how much you're getting per conversion value, right? So $1 per
Yes, sir.
conversion value. So again, you can turn this on. Let's say if you want to set conversions values for your leads, right? But let's turn this off. Okay, copy this. First put this in your notepad, correct? So can you open your pixel notepad? This is your pixel notepad, right? So we're going to go down, okay, and put lead event code, okay, paste it here. Now we have to do a small test in this case. In the code test, we always do the test, okay? Now you see this says n Facebook pixel code. See that? Right?
Yes, sir.
And here is the same thing, n Facebook pixel code, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. And after that, it says head, okay, and then body script, right? Insert event code here, correct?
Yes, sir.
See that, right? Correct. So we
Yes,
will
sir.
do a small testing here. So we will go to again HTML editor section. Let's go to your thank you page. Now this is your thank you page, right? This. Okay. I click. Can you just paste that code here? Paste it. Yep. So, and let's click save. Let's see. As it is, click save. Click save. Now again, paste it. Paste your link. Okay, perfect. So we're going to the thank you page to test the pixel now. Let's see what happens. Okay, so when we click this link, Okay, so can you click this pixel helper, please?
Yes, sir.
This pixel helper on the right hand side. Click that.
Yes, sir.
Page view pixel,
Lead.
and what is the other
And
pixel?
lead.
Lead pixel.
Yes, sir.
Was anything difficult here?
No, sir. No.
Super simple, right? So your lead is working perfectly fine, your page view is working perfectly fine, right? Correct. So this is how you install the lead event pixel on your thank you page.